Meaning of electroplate.
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 Electroplate. Electroplating is a process of coating a metal object with a thin layer of a different metal through electrolysis. For example, you might electroplate a piece of steel with a layer of gold or silver to give it a more attractive appearance. This process is commonly used to produce decorative finishes on jewelry, silverware, and other metal objects. The result is a smooth, shiny surface that is resistant to tarnishing and corrosion. Electroplating can also be used to enhance the electrical conductivity or durability of a metal object.